What are we
I'm
doing?
gonna grab a boots and cap and some freestyle.
Okay.
You want a boots and cap?
Yeah.
Okay. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and
Boat day in Miami. Don't put on your jammies and don't want to eat Sammys on the sandbar. We'll shake your hammies. We're going to Okay, this is not working.
So she's really good at
I'm not. I'm freezing up. I'm freezing up.
That's okay. Let's do the review. Let's got it.
Amazing time here.
Okay,
Absolutely beautiful.
Okay, Kate, I think.
So, we planned a boat day, guys.
Yeah.
Did we think this boat day was going to be this fun?
Nope, because it was raining
Because
this
it
morning.
was raining. But you can't control the weather.
So we were kind of
But you can control.
Yeah, but what was the first thing you asked?
Are we still going on the boat?
Are we
with
still
rain?
going on the boat? We're like, so it was getting cloudy, and I had just walked through Monsoon to return this rental car. Disaster. Let me tell you, I texted her. I was like, there's no way we're going on this fucking boat. It's like raining.
She goes, the boat is canceled. She
Yeah,
goes,
like,
she's like,
we're
what
not
is
thinking
the
it's
policy?
happening.
I go, what is the return policy?
We have to figure this out. Like,
And Kate goes, well, I'm going to text the guy right now. And then we get there, and she shows us a picture of you on this beautiful
And I said, you guys, this
day.
is the energy we need.
as you're out right now.
That's
and you're like,
it.
this is the view right now. And we're like, well, we're sold. Forget it.
Beautiful.
It's time to be here.
Rain or shine.
That's it.
Rain or shine.
And we had the best time today.
Did we? Cheers to that.
Cheers to
Great
that.
day on the water.
You can
Thanks,
call us
guys.
Kyle.
Call us Kyle.
Call me Kyle.
Okay, hopefully you'll be coming back soon.
Oh, we
Anytime.
will.
I mean,
We will.
and while we're at it,
And we'll be telling our friends.
we'll rent a car from you, too.
Listen,
We're sure
you're better. You're better.
We're coming
Now,
everything.
now a few words in Spanish.
En español.
Sí. Ah,
Este
she
viaje.
froze. She froze.
Este viaje ha sido
chiste.
increíble. Nos ha fascinado estar en la playa, en este sandbar. O sea, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. El reggaetón, increíble. Bad Bunny all the way.
Oh.
Amazing.
Free advertisement for Bob Bunny.
For Bad Bunny,
That he
yes.
doesn't need.
Bad Bunny,
doesn't
if you
need
want
it.
to call
Or
me,
J
you can
Balvin.
call me anytime, Bad Bunny.
What?
But we love
Hello?
Bad Bunny. Can cut
Hello?
you exacto.
Let me put Let me do the sound behind it.
Sí, no, pero en serio, 1000 veces recomiendo esto. Fue lo máximo.
Qué linda. Mira qué bonitas son.
No sé, gracias.
26 years old in the house. One more time.
Gracias. Bien entrenada, ¿verdad?
Oye, no, tremendo trabajo estás haciendo ahí en español. Kyle, you want to say something in Spanish? Like, say a few words. Algunas
Hola.
palabras. Coño.
Gracias. Una cerveza, por favor. And that's all I got.
But that has to do with alcohol.
Those are the only things she taught me that I could hold on to.
Say the bridesmaids like gracias and todos.
I
Para
still
todo.
can't even
Muy
remember
bien.
that.
Kai, say, experiencia increíble.
Yeah, try to say that.
Experiencia.
You can edit this.
Experiencia.
Experiencia increíble.
There you go.
Next.
What was that?
Next. Experiencia increíble.
Increíble.
Oh, very
Increíble.
There you go, there you
There,
go.
that's why.
I'm a lost
Oh,
cause.
come on.
No,
Kyle.
she
Try it.
will back me up. I'm a lost
Do it,
Come on,
do
try
it,
it,
do
try
it.
it.
Try an accent. Try an accent
Try it.
right now.
Experiencia.
Experiencia.
Increíble.
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 Come on, go. Go for it.
Increíble.
Let it go as it is. Let it go.
Experiencia.
Increíble.
No, dale.
Increíble. In the Caribbean.
Try one more time, Kyle. One more time.
Kyle.
Kyle, one more time.
Experiencia.
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 Increíble.
Increíble.
There's the
Okay.
bloopers. There's the bloopers.
Thank you,
This is a
girls.
blooper
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure having you.
We thank you.
We thank you.
Thank you,
And
Captain.
this beautiful sandbar, you know.
This is all
Great
you.
day.
You're very
Here,
welcome.
you made the experience worth it. Like,
You're very welcome.
thank you.
Make sure to follow him on Instagram.
We don't know. Follow.
Fishy.
And that's where you just put it on the video.
Biz Chutters.
Follow us on Instagram. Fishy Biz Trotters.
Okay, thank you so much, girl.